beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and if it's the first time stopping by, you're most welcome. So I'm super excited because I'll be creating this look. Yes, for the first time I'm doing a makeup video on this channel, and I can't wait to see your reaction towards the video. So comment down below what you think about this look, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Let me pause. Have you subscribed? Subscribe to this channel. So I'll be doing an easy beginner friendly makeup tutorial, so if you're interested, please continue watching. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I'll prime my face, and I will be using this Maybelline Master Primer. It's a hydrating primer, and if you're a beginner, this is what you should get. If you're really struggling which primer to use, or you don't know where to begin, I would recommend this primer. So we will use this primer to all over our face, and what it does, it hydrates the face for a smoother finish when you apply the foundation. So I don't require a lot, just a tiny bit. So I'll apply all over my face. Wow, the primer feels so soft and my face is smooth. So after priming my face, I will use this foundation by Maybelline, and it's in the color Cocoa. So I will apply this foundation all over my face. Just 2 pumps. 2 pumps are enough. I will use my wet beauty blender to apply the foundation. So what I do, and for beginners who are like starting out this routine, what you should do, you should start with your you don't apply all the foundation all at once. Start with one side, then you continue with the rest. So I will go in with small amount, just applying. I am working on one side first. Don't forget to work on one side. To highlight my face, I will use Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color Caramel, and I think I will still use 2 pumps. So all I'm doing, I'm just blending the concealer, the highlight into my face. I'm highlighting these places, so I'm just blending it out. Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm still blending. I'm blending it out. And I think it has blended. Now the next step is to contour. So I'm going to contour using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. So just contour this side, and on my forehead. I will darken the contour using one of my darkest eyeshadow foundation that I have. So so this is how the contour looks like after I blend it out. Yeah, this is how the contour looks like. So all I have to do is now to blend the highlight and the contour so that I can hide any harsh lines. Yeah, I like it. Now I will contour my nose, and yeah. That's how my nose looks like. Yeah. I'm going to set the highlight under my face using this Black Opal setting translucent setting powder. It's one of the best that I can recommend for a beginner friendly. So okay, my eyebrows are done. Now it's to clean them. Yeah. So we are done with the brows. So for the eyeshadow, because it's a beginner friendly makeup tutorial, we'll go with something so simple for the eyes. I'm using this palette. I'll start with this color here for transition shade. After the simple eye look, we need to set the face, and yeah, and we'll be done with the face. Now I go back to the lips. So I'm still taking my black pearl lucerne, and I'll just set the face. Just setting the face. Okay, so now we are going to take care of our lips. I'm going to line my lips using this jumbo lip liner, this one. So I'm going to use this lipstick. So I know it's a liquid lipstick and it's matte. Love that color. Wow, love that color. So what I'm going to do is to blend the two. So I'm using this mascara on my lashes because I'm not putting any fake lashes. Oh, this look, oh my god, the final step, my favorite final step is applying this highlighter. I'll apply this highlighter. This time I won't use any setting spray. This is my end look, guys. Let me go and get my wig, dress up, then I come and show you the whole look. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Hey guys, this is the end result, and it's a very simple makeup tutorial. Actually, anyone can be able to achieve this look. So if you like this look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.